Hello, and welcome to an Oxbow Wetland Park. These Oxbow wetlands are located at Waterford Park in Urbandale, Iowa. The park can be accessed from 156th Street, just south of Waterford Road. Oxbow wetlands are wetlands that form when an old stream meander gets cut off from the main stream channel. The resulting Oxbow wetland may be U-shaped or run parallel to the stream. Oxbow wetlands can form naturally over time as a stream moves within the floodplain, or can form when a stream is straightened and channelized by humans. The Oxbow wetlands at Waterford Park run along Walnut Creek. They help retain floodwater, provide wildlife habitat, and improve water quality. Many Oxbow wetlands lack a direct surface water connection with the nearby stream for much of the year. During storm or flood events, water from the nearby river floods into the Oxbow wetland, where the water can be held on the landscape for an extended period of time. Lots of Oxbow and floodplain wetlands along a stream can store excess stormwater and help prevent flooding of downstream houses, towns, and cities. Oxbow wetlands act as a habitat for amphibians, reptiles, fish, birds, and mammals. The Topeka shiner, a federally endangered and state-threatened species, can be found in some Iowa oxbows. The Topeka shiner is a small, silvery minnow that is typically less than 3 inches long and prefers slow-flowing oxbow habitat adjacent to the main stream channel. A special type of restored oxbow, the multi-purpose oxbow, is a restored wetland designed to capture tile drainage water from agricultural row crop acres. The multi-purpose oxbow helps to reduce the amount of nitrate leaving the agricultural field and entering the nearby stream. Studies have shown that these multi-purpose oxbows reduce nitrate levels on average by about 50%. The multi-purpose oxbow is an approved nitrate reduction practice in the Iowa Nutrient Reduction Strategy. The Oxbow wetlands seen here have been incorporated into an urban park that has a bike trail, playground, and a disc golf course. The disc golf course is integrated into the meandering nature of the stream and oxbows at the park, adding to the challenging nature of the course. Oxbow wetlands are an underappreciated component of Iowa's landscape that helps to store floodwater, provide water quality improvement, and act as wildlife habitat. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you enjoyed our profile of Oxbow wetlands.